Hi guys, we wanted to make a short video clip of an upcoming PC build that we are going to be publishing very soon. I know we haven't been posting for a while, we've been caught up with our business, but we're definitely going to be posting more videos soon of PC builds. But to show you what we've got upcoming, we've got 3 pink RGB fans. We're using the MSI Z490i Unify motherboard, mini RTX. We've also got an EVGA 550 watt SFX power supply. We've also got 2 NVMe drives. We're using the Western Digital Black SN750 512 gig, and we've also got an Aseno 1TB NVMe. We're also using 2 8 gigs of XPG Spectrix D60G RGB RAM. We're also using the i5-10400F, pink Reaper cables, an RTX 2060, the Lurker V240 water cooler, and also the Cooler Master Secura NR200P.